Hello Alex, please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Alexandria Tudorova and I'm from Pazardzhik, Bulgaria. I'm studying English Philology at University of Plovdiv, Paisy Hilendarsky, and I'm third year now. I'm very glad to have the chance to express my opinion about the website.
Okay, tell us your opinion about the Q4S project and for the web resources in particular.
I'm very glad that there are people who think about people with disabilities, and this is a very good opportunity for everyone, not just for people with disabilities, to have new connections and to communicate with one another, to help themselves, and to see that world is very big and we can help one another with everything we can.
Which part of the website you did find the most useful?
Well, I like the website as a whole, but I think that the most interesting part is where people share information about themselves, because everyone will have the chance to see them in their true nature, and if they wish, they can get friends with them. And everything is so at the same time simple and at the same time so complicated, because it's my opinion that everything is simple but people made it complicated. But it is good that they share something about themselves, and people see them, and they can see everything about their disease and about their life and all this stuff. And if they want, they can help with something if they need.
What do you think about the section disclosure of disability? Maybe this section is not relevant for you, but it is relevant for another. So.
Well, I think this is a very good section, because people should have more often to see stuff like that, because most of people in Bulgaria are not so qualified about this stuff, and here people can find everything they need, I guess. Well, there's stuff that people maybe put more information about it, but it is enough to be a new fresh start about it. And this section is not mainly for people with disabilities, but for everyone to get familiar with all this stuff.
Okay, do you have any recommendations for improvements?
Yes, I would like to say that I like the covers of the website, and they are so sweet and they make people laugh, especially the green and the yellow part. It is, I'm not saying it because these are one of my favorite colors, but I like it as well because it makes you feel like it's summer all the time. Doesn't matter at which time of the year you're looking at this website. I think that there should be more video clips with people, and there should be more subtitles in English and lots of languages if it's possible. And I think there should be more pictures with people, and maybe there must be something like a chat part where people can have connections with other people freely, more freely than now. I think this would be something good, and I like the part where you can fix anything if you need, and especially the part where you can, everyone actually, not just you and I, can share information about the website, and the creators of the website will see if people like it or do not like it, and all this stuff. They just can share information about it, which is really good.
Apart from the Q4S website, tell us more about your dreams, your future plans.
Well, I'd like to say that I have lots of dreams, and this is something that people never have to lose, because dreams are something that is part of us and we have to follow them, doesn't matter how hard life is. And I hope that one day I will have the chance to find the work that will be appropriate for me, and I would do it with great pleasure. I would like to be a translator one day, and especially a good one. I would like to translate movies because this is one of my favorite parts I like. And this is something I love to do when I have free time for myself.
Okay, tell us what is your message, what you would like to share with the others.
Well, I would like to say that people should never lose hope, because this is something that keeps us strong and give us strength. So we just have to look ahead and just move on. That's it. Just be yourself and know that there's people that will be always behind you.
Thank you very much. Wish
Thank
you
you.
good luck.
Thank you.